Sabi ko nga, 'pag sopranong kalbo yan, mga kinuha kong actor necessarily are not mga pipitsuging actors, mga Shakespearean actors yan, mga classical actors. Why? Because they need to say the lines so with so much dignity, kahit walang kwenta yung lines. Ulitin ko, they need to say the lines with so much dignity, kahit walang kwenta yung lines. So narinig ng mga tao, "No, hindi nila naintindihan yung sinabi." Kumbaga,
Like for example,
um, for example, nyaring yaya papasok, "Ako ang katulong at ito ang aking arenola." Kung sinabi niyang gano'n, sinong magsasabi nun? Um, Arenola, tapos ikaw bilang audience, ang gulo nun, kailangan malinaw na sabi yun ng aktor para nakita ng mga audience. So, dapat maintindihan ng audience na hindi niya naintindihan. Ulitin ko, maintindihan ng audience na hindi niya naintindihan. As opposed to hindi lang niya naintindihan kasi malabo, hindi niya narinig. Pero ito sobrang linaw, I didn't miss it. And I see it very clearly that it's not supposed to be understood.